Alam mo ba sa halaga na 2,800 ay pwede kang kumita ng $2,047 or 100,000 pesos sa isang buwan? Tama, posible nang kumita ng US dollars kahit nasa Pilipinas ka pa. At pwede mo itong mas-side hustle kahit busy ka pa sa trabaho mo. It might sound too good to be true, but this is very attainable with a new concept of subscription and club membership. Ang business model na ito ay similar to Netflix, Costco, Spotify, S&R, PLDT, Zoom, na kung saan kailangan mo lang magpa-member or mag-subscribe para ma-access ang services and benefits na in-offer nila. Same concept with our business. Ang kaibahan lang ay magkakaroon ka ng full and exclusive access sa products and services. And at the same time, pwede ka pang kumita by being a subscriber. Sa in-offer namin na ito ay magkakaroon ka ng exclusive club membership to access our US grade high quality products in a whole price up to 50% na pwede mong kitain. Accessible to almost all countries in the world. Hindi mo na rin kailangang maabala para sa pag-asikaso nito dahil company na ang mag-pack and ship ng orders ng customers mo. Magkakaroon ka pa ng sarili mong online accounts and 3 replicated websites. Dito mo mamomonitor in real time ang sales at earnings mo. If may kaibigan ka na gusto ring kumita katulad mo, magkakaroon ka ng instant $25 or 1,400 as bonus, no limit. Pwede mo i-maximize ito anytime and anywhere. Kahit hindi ka marunong magbenta or mag-alok ng business, don't worry. May potential income ka pa rin na matatanggap monthly. Aralin mo lang ito at sipagan mo para sa mga gustong sumubok sa negosyong ito. Paano pa kaya kung business builder ka pa? Mas malaking income, opportunities ang naghihintay para sa iyo. Kumikita ka ng weekly, at the same time, nabigyan mo din ng chance na kumita ang ibang tao just by doing this business like you. And wait, there's more. Meron tayong free digital marketing tools, free learning app FB page, messenger bot, and FB ads. Meron din tayong technical supports like group chats and Facebook community groups para sa mga materials na kakailanganin mo kung interesado kang matuto at kumita sa negosyong ito. I believe this is the right time for you to check this out because we are the fastest growing company. We are the fast growing team from all walks of life. With or without experience as sales professionals like financial analysts, PNP, teachers, ordinary workers, nurse, OFWs, and content creator, and full-time mom and dads, lahat ay natutulungan namin kumita ng dollars dito sa Pilipinas. For more details, click mo lang ang send button below. Thank you and see you in our team.